Oh, hi there! I finally made another video for this channel. Sorry that it took me so long. So, did you know that there are actually more mouth sounds than what's on the basic IPA charts you can find online? But why isn't every sound on the main chart, you may be asking your screen? Well, I'll tell you. It's because there are way too many sounds to make a separate symbol for, and also probably other historical reasons that you can Google. Anyway, there is a way to write these mysterious sounds, and that is through the use of diacritics. For example, voiceless nasal consonants are very much possible, but how do you write them? By using either of these diacritics that both look like a small circle above or below the main glyph that mark voicelessness. You can also write sounds that don't even have a main symbol to work off of, such as a voiceless retroflex lateral fricative, by taking other symbols and adding diacritics that change their location on the chart. You can make a huge number of sounds by using this method. If you want to learn more about what you can do with these diacritics, join the r/Conlanging Discord server and ask the people there that know more than I do. Sorry for taking so long to make another video, by the way. See ya!